Good morning, wind whistlers and wind believers. It's Renee, the Practical Shaman. It's time for a wind whistling lesson. There's so many whistles going out around the world, and people really need to know how to work with this wind whistle. So I thought I'd do a short little demo. Here's the wind whistle itself. It's a simple pinch pot. It's being made by a man in Mexico to resemble the Aztec whistle, and they're made custom for this wind work, and each of them has a unique sound. What you might want to start by naming your wind whistle. There's a video on YouTube that will teach you how to do that. You might get the book Winds of Spirit, and you can download for free if you don't have they come with a wind whistler's kit, but for somebody who just whistles up their own wind, you can download a free sample of the cards. What I like to do is I like to start by pulling a card, okay? And today's card is Ehud God MSA, and it's the Creek Wind of Protection. And it's about moving forward with confidence. I'm going to show you how I personally call in this wind. Now, you might do it a little bit differently. There's no right way, but this is the way that I do it. I stand with my 2 feet planted on the earth, because blowing the wind whistle is about centering you in your space on the earth. Now we're calling to this creek wind, and what we're doing is inviting this wind in to work with us. And you might want to call in one wind a week, or a couple of, 2 winds during the week, but don't call in a new wind every day, because your life could get pretty choppy fast. So you hold your wind whistle, or the way I hold it. A lot of people tend to go like that, but that would work too. But I hold it with the face out on my palm, because I regulate the flow of energy here. And sometimes the wind regulates the flow of energy and the various sounds that it will make. Then I take a breath in. And on the first whistle, I'm going to bring the energy in and ground myself to the earth. Then I'll blow it a second time, and that time I'm actually going to call to Ehud Ka MSA and invite that wind in to work with me. And then on the third one, I'm going to call in a wind of protection and ask this wind to actually protect me by coming in through the crown of my head and going out can you see? Out my pelvis. You can't see that. So that the wind comes in through the top of your head, goes out your pelvis, and creates a torus, a popo, an energy bubble around you. It's like a zipping up with the wind energy inside to fuel your day. All right, so again, you're going to hold the whistle here, and you're going to regulate the flow of air here. And the first wind, remember, we're going to call in and ground ourselves to the earth. See those roots of your feet going deep, deep, deep into the belly of the mother. A gentle, strong wind blowing with us today. The next one, we're going to call into Ehud Ka MSA and bring that energy in to work with us, that wind of going forward with confidence. Now you could call a different wind for yourself. This is just the one that I picked. I felt this expanding wind coming in through me. It's a very sensual experience. And in this third wind breath, I'm going to call in the wind, bring it down out my pelvic area and back around like a donut, a torus, coming back in and creating an energy popo, an energy bubble around me with this same creek wind. I'm ready to start the day or my week or a new project, feeling really great, grounded, centered, protected, and I can move forward with confidence today. All right, if you have any questions about these wind whistles and these winds of spirit cards, please email me at Renee at the Practical Shaman. And you can, if you've stumbled upon this and you don't have a wind whistler's toolkit yet, you can get one of those at thepracticalshaman.com/store. And make sure you're part of the wind whistling clan, Wind Clan on Facebook. All right, have a great day.